Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway catapult. Now obviously knowing how to do a sway already would be helpful, and knowing how to do a catapult already would be helpful. Links to those in the description below in case you've missed those. And don't mix this one up with a catapult sway because that is actually a different move. Okay, so without further ado, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts off exactly like a normal sway. So you're right to right, you go semicircle and back, you wrap into the sway, you sway the lady back. Okay, you only need one hand. You could use two, but you only need one. We're going to sway the lady forwards. And then from here, it feels like we're going to sway the lady back again. So we do a pull, but not just on the hand, on the hip. We're sending the lady backwards. We hang onto the hand, let the lady roll away from us. You're going to have to roll the hand grip as well. So the lady ends up behind you, just as you would after the sweep in a catapult. You offer the other hand, and then it ends just as a normal catapult. In on the left, spin, catch, return, and back. Let's do that again from the other side and talk numbers. It goes semicircle back 1, wrap 2, sway back 3, sway forwards 4, rolling back 5, leaning 6, to the side 7, spinning 8, catching 1, return 2 and back 3. So now we're ready. Let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway, catapult. It's a back, wrap, sway, forwards, roll, lean, to the side, spin and catch, return and back. And that is it. The sway catapult. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it useful and fun to play with out on the dance floor. If you do like what we're doing, put a like on the video. If you have a comment or a question, do put it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. In the last few seconds of the video there are some windows that come up. One of those is a music recommendation, which gives you something nice to practice this move too. Well, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.